Hello.
Good evening, Tim.
Where are we at?
Well, we just made it to Japan today, but we're going to talk about our expenses in Taiwan.
Okay, let's talk about Taiwan.
We spent 3 nights in Taiwan.
Yes, we did.
The first night was at the episode in downtown Taipei. It was a very unusual hotel experience. The shower is what I'm thinking, and I'll show you pictures of that because I think that was really strange. Room 1105 at the episode in Taiwan, Taipei. Yeah, it's warm in here. It's a nice room. It's got a little seating area over here. And I think I have a, what is this?
A shower.
A shower.
You actually have something past them.
Look, okay, this is the shower here. I guess you just walk down here and you take your shower. And look, you can go out here. If I can unlock it. Actually, okay, I can't get out, but there's a little seating area out there. Let's see what actually is in the bathroom now. Or if I have to actually take a shower there, because that's kind of odd to me. Yes, that is the only shower. That is so weird. So that is our shower. I've never seen anything like that. I guess you can draw that blind, but that's crazy.
Yeah.
Not where I would have placed the shower, but that's fine. It was good for the location close to the zoo, though. But we
we love the zoo.
That was really nice because it was only 4 kilometers away from the zoo.
Yeah.
So that made it really super easy to go to the zoo the next day.
Yep.
So that was the positive about the episode.
Yeah.
And it was a different brand of Hyatt's. So we get another brand.
Visit all the different brands. Yeah.
So we're only one more brand away from another free night certificate.
Yeah.
We're going to get that soon. But anyways, so we spent 1 night at the episode, and then we moved to the Hyatt Regency at the airport for 2 nights. And again, we were on points, and that was really nice. It had a really nice pool.
Oh, yeah, a beautiful pool.
And a really nice lounge, club lounge. That was really nice. And it was nice because we rented a car. Well, we didn't rent a car, we had a driver. We had a driver. So he picked us up
taxi.
For 5 hours, and he showed us the countryside and things that were on the previous video. So it was really nice because it was custom done. So that was a good experience.
Yeah. So, he knew where to go, and he'd drop us off and said, "You have all day," and then we show up earlier, and they go, "Okay, I'll take you somewhere else." He figure out where else to take us. They go, "You got all day," and then I would show up earlier again, and he'd be like, "Okay, well, we'll take you here. We got all day."
Yeah.
So it's like, okay.
The only thing we missed on that tour was the suspension bridge that we wanted to see.
But it was closed for maintenance.
It was closed for maintenance, so we didn't get an opportunity to see that. But everything else that I wanted to see, I got to see on that tour, which was really nice.
A little more than we expected, so that was nice.
It was good. It was good. So how much did we spend? What was our biggest expense?
Okay, so our biggest expense was Uber for 171.14
So that was because I put the tour, the 1-day, 5-hour tour in there, and that was $114 for him to drive us around the entire day. And he took us all the way up to the top of the mountain, all over the place. So that's the reason why it was so expensive. And we also took the Uber to and from the hotel to the zoo, and then from the hotel to the main train station for the Purple Line.
A few times, back and forth,
And then we had the MRTs because we took the high-speed rail from the airport to the downtown station. So that's kind of all in there with just how much our transportation was for that area. So that was good. That was good. It was actually pretty inexpensive to get around.
Yeah, it wasn't bad at all.
Yeah, no.
And then flights were $98.
And that is only taxes and fees. And we flew there from Taiwan. Where were we? We're in Taiwan. We flew there from Cambodia. Is that right? For some reason I don't think that's right.
No, that's not right.
No.
It was from
Vietnam. It was Vietnam. We flew there from Vietnam. So from Dong. And it was like a 3-hour flight. It's pretty
Yeah,
long.
all these flights are about 3 hours each.
Yeah.
This one was 3 hours each to Japan.
Yeah.
Right now we're in Japan. So
But yeah, sorry, losing count of the countries we're in. But that was only for taxes and fees. The rest of it was basically the points that we had gotten through the credit card offers.
And then activities were $40.
$40. So that was basically the gondola rides at the zoo and the tickets for the zoo itself.
So we went all the way up the top of the mountain for the zoo, and then we came back down halfway to the zoo. So the mountain was at the top. It wasn't part of the zoo. We saw that. And then we came back down to the zoo. And the zoo was nice too. Both were really great.
It was a good idea to start with the gondolas first because it took us all the way to the top of the tea houses. And then we made our way down. If not, you've got to walk uphill.
Yeah, you got to walk uphill in the zoo. And otherwise, what we did was we were at the top. That was we walked down the zoo. But that was a lot easier.
It was really nice. I saw giant pandas and koala bears.
Yeah, koala bears. Yeah, right.
What else is next?
Okay, then others. Restaurants for $11, general for $5, accommodations for $0.
Oh, see, that's all we spent. So how much total do we spend in Taiwan?
Okay, so let me go back.
3 nights.
Okay, there you go. So Vietnam was $442.
Okay.
Singapore was $418. Taiwan was $328, and Netherlands was $153.
So it's right in there basically. So we spent $328. $328. A lot of that was on that 1-day tour that we had. The $115 that we spent. So that's not bad. Those are the other 3 countries we went to as well so far. Just kind of a comparison of how much we spent. So in Malaysia we spent
$1,162. Maldives was $2,310, and Cambodia was $894.
Yeah, and a lot of it is because we had tours. So that's the reason why they're so much more expensive. We just did the one tour in Taiwan and the zoo was really inexpensive. So it was only like $10 to go on to the gondola ride all the way to the top and around. Actually, it was a full day ticket. You could take as many times as you want. And the zoo entrance itself was like less than $2. So
Yeah.
it was really inexpensive. And we bought lunch at the zoo that was so inexpensive.
That was inexpensive.
It was like $6 for chicken fingers and French fries and a drink.
Yeah.
Really, I mean, it was a really good bargain considering. And they had the train that took you down too. So it was really nice. I mean, I was surprised at how nice it was. It was a really good zoo.
Oh, it was a wonderful zoo. Yeah.
So that's how much we spent in Taiwan.
Yay.
So not bad at all. Tomorrow we are in Disney.
Disney. We're going to do Disney Sea and we're going to do Disney Classic.
2 different days though.
2 different days.
So
I'll tell you how that was. Disney Sea is supposed to be the best theme park in the world.
for animation, right?
For everything,
Okay.
for
Well,
animation.
we'll find out tomorrow.
For the view, just the way it looks and everything else. So, wow.
I'm excited about that. Although I heard from people in the elevator it was very crowded.
Yes, they say it was very crowded, but we're in no rush. We're just gonna walk around and see what we see.
So we'll see you tomorrow at Disney.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye bye.